Hey everybody, it's NJTM Track Guy again. I'm here today to look at a few new skyscrapers that are being built here in Manhattan. I've received pointers from several subscribers telling me about these new skyscrapers. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'll look into them as they're still very low in height. This first one that I was told about is called 432 Park Avenue. And some of my subscribers have told me that this is actually going to be higher than One World Trade Center. So I need to look more into this building, but I'm just gonna see if I think I'm a block away from it right now, but I'm gonna look at it, see what's here. And yes, because 1 and 4 World Trade Center are externally complete. And until Towers 2 and 3 start up, you're really not going to see too much. Minor things, especially with the transit hub. But, yeah, you're really not going to see too much. And of course, when Towers 2 and 3 start back up, I'm going to be primarily over there. But let's see what's over here. Okay. I believe this is the building right here. 432 Park Avenue. So yeah, some of my subscribers told me that this is supposed to be taller than One World Trade Center. I'm gonna do more research on it, but if it is, that's just amazing. I don't really have a good view here, but this is one of the newer projects starting off. Not too bad. Not too sure how many floors this is supposed to be. I'm gonna have to look into it. So if this is supposed to be taller than One World Trade Center, that's gonna be amazing to look at. I don't know how many floors it's supposed to be, but I'll have to look into it. I'm only here because about 10 people told me about it, so I thought I'd look into it. I guess I'll keep walking. Yeah, I'm here because you guys told me about it. Looks like it'll be a nice tower, but it's still very young at this point. Alright, I'm across the street. Yeah, I guess here's a better look at it. Can't wait to see how this one looks. So yeah, again, I'm here because you guys told me about it. I think I've had about 10 people tell me about this building. But before I can say anything about it, I need your input too. A lot of other buildings around here too. This is New York City. I guess I'll walk onto the other side now. see what's over there. Alright, so here's just another look at this tower. 432 Park Avenue is what it's called. Here's the crane. Looks like there's 2 cranes. Here's just another look at it. Yeah, this has a long way to go. Alright, so I don't know too much about this tower other than what I heard, so feel free to tell me about it. And do not hesitate to comment. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Alright, here's that other skyscraper, Carnegie 57, that had the crane blown off of it during Sandy. Looks like it's been fully repaired. It looks pretty much done. Again, I don't know too much about it, but that's it.